Okay, hello everybody and welcome back to Five Hill Junction and welcome to part 2 of the review of the beautiful Rail Freight General Sector Class 37 by Bachmann. She's completed her running in. I've also upgraded the speaker on her because the standard factory speaker is absolutely rubbish. There's really no point in it, honestly, it's that bad. So I've upgraded it to a bass enhanced speaker, so it's the same kind of speaker that a 37025 has. So we'll get some much better sound quality now. So I'll just play a few of the sounds for you. If you want a full demonstration of all of the sounds on this particular chip, then I go and check out the video on 37025. So I'm pretty sure I went through all of the sounds in that video. But this loco's got the exact same chip, so I'll just go through like a couple of horns for you, really. So we've got the first horn, very nice, and the second horn, very nice. So obviously, if that was the standard factory speaker to us, the quality wouldn't be anywhere near as good. It would be a lot quieter. But anyway, let's fire up the engine. There we are, and let's get a run around the layout to see what she's like. Beautiful, really good operation. I do think though the chassis on this loco is slightly different to the 37s because the bogies don't seem to be able to turn as much as on other 37s. So I think it's just the way the chassis block has been made, but it shouldn't affect the running. But the bogies definitely don't turn as far. So we'll just bring her to a stop. There we are. Beautiful. So she's running really well, but twice. Don't really expect anything else from these models. But now I think it's time to do what I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I'll set up the test train with this loco. Then we've also got the 37025 as well, and then the network rail coaches, which are just there. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, here we are. Both those 7s are on the track. They've both got the same address. Network rail Mark IIs are on between them. So I think all we need to do now is fire up the engines and see them go. In all honesty, I really don't know what to say. I think they've summed it up for me. If you don't have a Bachmann Class 37, you just need to get one. They're just amazing. Just pick your favourite livery and get one.